Wow!
Ito ba yung
Yes, oo.
paid for you? Sorry, I paid for it.
Ready ka, What is up, you guys? It's your girl Avelovinit and welcome to another vlog. Marve vlog.
Yay!
Hey!
Manila!
So we're here in BGC. We're going to attend a Christmas party later with my friends. So now we're just going to... We just had Korean barbecue for lunch. And now we're on our way to the salon that I always go to. Whenever I'm here in Manila, Philippines, I always make sure to go to my salon and have myself pampered once in a while. This is also going to be Martin's first time to have a hair treatment, pedicure. He hasn't heard of pedicure, the word pedicure before. We need to buy gifts for exchange gift later on. So, yes! Hello po! Yeah. Back home, Martin, I forgot the outfit that I got yesterday. Thank you. These are the shoes that I also got. It's on sale, 3,000 pesos. And this is my bag. It's also on sale. It's now at 1,700 pesos. And now it's makeup time. So I got a couple of things. Forgot how expensive makeup is. So I got this glow kit from Anastasia. Cali Kiss Smashbox. Or is it from Cali Kiss? I don't know, whatever. A soft glam by Anastasia. It's just that the reason why I bought this is because I've seen a lot of influencers, beauty gurus buying things from Anastasia. A blush or brush loose foundation from Smashbox. It's an eyeshadow. Oh no, not eyeshadow. What do you call this? Mascara from NARS, and it's called Climax. And last but not the least is the makeup remover. Because I don't remember the last time I actually had a makeup remover. Normally I just use my, I just use my facial wash. First off, wow, I'm a beauty guru now. I don't remember the last time I cleaned this brush. I haven't opened this yet, but there are like loose powders already. So that's what I'm gonna do. Like, I'm gonna use these because I don't want to waste any foundation. Salat. I just hope that it matches my skin tone. Oh my gosh, I have so much glitters. Top glam that I bought by Anastasia or Anastasia, whatever. And it's soft glam. Comes with a brush. Don't mind my nails, so ratchet. That's the brush. Wow, I feel like a beauty guru. Please do not buy fake makeup. It can damage your skin. Why is it so hard, makeup? Like, I really admire beauty gurus because doing makeup is not easy. We're getting somewhere. Very good, very good. This is what it looks like. Next is the eyebrows. I've been using this since 2016. I don't know if it's good, but there's still some. I just trace my own eyebrows. Once we're done with that, we move on to the climax. I don't put eyeliners anymore because I have come to a conclusion that I am not good at putting eyeliners. I've already embraced that. Do you see it? What I do with the excess is I put it on my eyebrows. I don't remember the last time I plucked my eyebrows. I just love my messy eyebrows, that's why. I feel like a beauty guru. Ooh. She's a beauty guru now. Bye-bye, travel vlogs. Joke. This is what it looks like. It's so cute. It's from Canmake. Oh, it's 690 pesos. I don't know if this is hygienic, me using it right away. Next is the glow kit. I will use the bronze. I'm gonna use the same brush. I don't see it. Ah! I forgot. This is a highlighter. I use the highlighter as a contour. This is the reason why you don't have to believe everything that I say in the vlogs. Okay? I'll just use this. There! Work it, baby. Using the same brush. And we're done! Yay! Lipstick, I forgot. I don't remember how much it is. Bless you. I bought this in April last year. So. Hello, Mish!
Hello, hi Martin.
Oh, yeah. Oh, oh my God, David. Yes.
So, a year without traveling, this is the outcome.
Ay, wow. Yung mga pang ano ng hotel mo. Bawat bansa. Yan ata. Yan mo yung ano mo. It's my first time here in... Anong tawag dito? Casa Guisado. Wow. May pa-jungle and everything. This is David's place. I really like the... Hala, may Hala, sino to? Hala, oh! May paano? Oo nga. Oo nga, Kat. Maya ka naman.
Later, you're so small na.
Oh my gosh. Yes. This is Martin's first Filipino Christmas. Oo. Yeah. Wala pa yung family. With friends.
Just made for you.
Oh, thank you.
Oh, it's for Kat. Kat only, ah.
You can move it. Oh no, sorry Christmas Village.
Ay, hindi mo pag...
Ay, ang power.
So you can put your clothes here. It's an open closet.
Wow.
So when you have a date, you can tie her.
Hala ka! Yata ka. Ang power naman. Lakas maka-wedding. Wedding?
Uy, pumila ka sa buffet.
Ay, we.
May pila pala.
Puro kakuha eh.
Exciting.
Uy, namiss kita. Namiss kita. Inaano kita, inaskip.
Martin, you're moving.
Oh, sorry. I paid for it. But please tag Surf and Turf. And Doña Mila.
Hi, Kat. Room tour.
This is his bed. I think this is queen or king size. It's color gray because he's minimal.
Minimo. Besh, nag-room tour si Kat. Sabi niya, it's color gray. Yung ano daw, yung medyo, because he's minimum. Minimum.
Ano minimum? Minimal!
Ano na? Okay. Okay. Gifts. Yes.
This is his.
Very, very David.
This is not a shadow. This is his real body.
Really normal, everyday.
Every day he calls naked patisserie to prepare his breakfast for 1 week.
Moving forward.
Nawawala ng value. Minimal.
Minimal. And here we got the very expensive electric fan for rich people only.
What
Yeah.
about this is you can put your hands through it without you know,
Cutting yourself.
cutting your fingers. Just a normal electric fan, you cut your fingers. Mirror. Oh, what else?
Xiaomi.
This is Xiaomi.
Wow.
Those houses in North Africa.
Martin, you want?
Before you enter, we have a jungle. He got it from the Amazon, and this is
Please stop it.
I thought you have two toilets.
Oh, this one I got from Greece.
Really?
It's a replica of me.
No, it's not. Because the nose.
It's very minimum.
The nose.
Oh, wait, I want to show you my planter. This is really cool because you put the water here.
Oh, here?
Yeah.
okay.
It distributes easily so your plant won't die because it doesn't overwater.
Wow, ang galing mo na mag-English, Bel.
Can we get this and use this for drinks?
This one you can drink here. Come.
Cut! Oh my God, na-miss ko yung kayong dalawa sa vlog ko, ah.
Oh, let's end
Ay,
this.
nakakalaki ng ilang yung lighting.
Oh my God! Cut it. Let's reshoot it tomorrow
CGI
morning.
editor.
Oh, wait. Come here.
Oh, the bathroom. Wow, 100K subs.
100K subs.
Wow. Now at 300.
Oh, this is nothing.
Not at 300. Yeah, wow.
What color is 1 million?
May recto before they got confiscated.
Dati mga ano lang, mga diploma.
Diba? Oh, power.
Oh my God!
Mas
Content heavy.
we need content. Mas madami.
Maunahan niya tayo sa content or heavy. Ano, same na content?
Same lang. Yun na.
Lang tayo, heavy.
Wala na.
Burn the bead. Oh, are you burning? No. Trembling. So, wala akong masabi. He is torching the tawag. It might rain.
Ano natin yung, wait, ano natin yung exhaust? Let's turn on.
Tama ba to?
Baka mag-ano yung, baka bigla.
You're burning.
Paano i-on to?
Burning na midnight oil. Pera yan.
Sorry,
Kasi ako naman pag-ready, kaya sa Cetaphil na lang. Ito na lang.
Shake it.
Oh yeah.
Shake it.
Ang laruan.
True.
Ito na lang.
Oh my God, bakit? Minafeel ko talaga, parang kay Kat mapupunta to. Yun.
I'm here
Open.
Red wine. It's for my lips.
Steal that.
Odd one.
Even, di ba even?
Where is that leave? Ay, body shot.
Mas skincare talaga siya ngayon. Mas skincare niya ngayon.
Fairness, yung skin niya.
Diba? Yes. Skincare.
Oh, you guys ready?
Ay, gusto ko yan. Babe, get that.
Nagpaplano na
Skin
ako.
Salt shaker.
Okay.
Wala na water bottle. But what is it, guys? Pwede ba ba
This is my collection.
Ah!
You and me.
Brisket
Mind me. Ba't nila yung bottle? Dapat mas maganda.
Oh my God.
Parang may defect yan, Ken.
Lazada.
Oh no! Cut!
Ito ba yung...
Saya niya eh.
Uy, pansinin nyo, may gift ako sa inyo. Sorry.
Yay! Merch!
You choose black or
More
white.
merch.
Design with ram. Really?
Wow!
I like black. Okay, black. Thank you. You have the perfume.
Thought you're pointing out this gift.
Very nice.
Oh.
Hey guys, we're currently editing a vlog for you guys. We've been publishing almost every day or every other day to Martin Salhaget's channel. Let him reach 40,000 subscribers, hopefully by the end of the year or by the start of the year.
We're
almost
close.
there.
We're very
Yes.
close.
Also, if you like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Comment below which part of this vlog is your favorite. I'm so happy that you get to meet my friends here in Manila, Philippines. They are my really close friends. Even if we don't see as much, you know, we've been traveling in different countries, different places around the Philippines. So it's nice to get together once in a while and catch up. We were in Casa Guisado until 3 a.m. something
Pretty
like
late.
that.
Yeah, it was a really fun experience though.
How was it for you for your first Filipino Christmas party?
I liked it. I really did. It was a lot of food, good talks, good friends, mostly in Tagalog, but hey, I gotta appreciate your friends because every once in a while they open up in English and then we had good conversations. I like the gift giving thing. That's not something we do in my country, and that's definitely.
So it's your first time to do that.
That's my first time,
That's
and
nice.
it's definitely a little tradition that I would bring home with me.
What about the food? Oh my gosh, the food was
So much
amazing.
food.
That's how it is in the Philippines. We prepare a lot of food. We make sure no one gets home hungry.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's nice. I like that.
I'm happy that you get to spend time with my friends. Honestly, it really means a lot to me. So thank you. I'm glad you had fun.
I did.
Thank you so much for watching his first Filipino Christmas party at Casa Guisado. David, thank you so much for inviting us. Please do subscribe to his channel. I'm also gonna put his YouTube channel link below. He vlogs in Tagalog, lifestyle, fashion.
He's funny.
Yeah,
He's
he
funny.
is.
He's really funny.
Yeah, funnier than you.
I don't think so. But yeah, he's funny. I'll give him that. He's funny.
And I'll see you guys on the next Marvin vlog. Bye.
Bye. Mwah.